I want to share with you 9 tips to help you achieve the most possible success during this cryptocurrency bull run. Now, whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency veteran, maybe you just need a little reminder of some of these important investing tips, or maybe you're someone new, and if you are new, you really need to hear some of this critical advice in this video. But hopefully this video is going to have something for everyone, regardless of your experience in investing. And I think this video is important because this bull run is going to make a lot of new millionaires. You can be one of those people, but you need to do every little thing possible to give yourself an edge on the market. So I hope that this video can help even just a little bit to give you that edge needed to achieve your financial success. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and hit the bell to catch all of my videos. By the way, if you want to be able to buy and trade all of the best cryptocurrencies, then you need to get yourself an account over on Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, then you're missing out on some of the hottest cryptocurrencies going. They've got all the favorites like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also things like Polkadot and Elrond, as well as frequently listing all those new high hype coins way before everyone else does. And they support like 50 different fiat currencies for buying crypto, giving you so many options no matter what country you live in. Right below me, there is a link in the description. Use that link to sign up for your Binance account and you're going to get a 10% discount on your trading fees. Thank you in advance for supporting the channel by using that link. So let's just get straight into this. Number 1 tip. This market's crazy. Super volatile, and I like what Paul Tudor Jones said, that the volatility is the price that you pay for performance. This is an industry still in its early stages of development. You need to be mentally prepared for that. You will be tested constantly in this market. But volatility does not need to be your enemy. You can make friends with volatility, and when you understand that, volatility is actually a pretty cool guy to hang out with. All the best parties, all the best stuff. Anyway, you see, the great part about volatility is that it means there will be frequent and often very big, very dramatic dips and corrections in the market. Now, sadly, most people do the exact opposite of what you need to do in this situation. Most investors, they buy pumps, they buy the tops, right? And then they sell dumps, sell local bottoms, and then they rinse and repeat until their portfolio is worth nothing. Retrain your brain. We buy dips, we sell pumps. We buy dips, we sell pumps. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Pretty easy stuff. Can be tricky to do because you have to reframe your mind a little bit, but we get these frequent corrections in the markets and those are opportunities for you. Remember, red days are for shopping, not for panic selling. The next tip, get the frick off of Coinbase. So many investors are just stuck on Coinbase. And I'll tell you this, if you want real opportunities to make real big gains, Coinbase is not where it is going to happen. Coinbase is one of the last exchanges to list hot coins. They're so far behind the times, it's crazy. If you want those hot new coins, then there's a couple places that you need to be looking for them: Uniswap and Binance. Uniswap, it's an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange where anyone can list a token. Now, Uniswap has been super hot over the last year because Uniswap is usually the first place to buy hot coins. Now, the gas fees can be crazy. You might be spending 50, 60 bucks to do a transaction, which is nuts. But if you can get a 10x return on that low cap gem that you find, then the gas fees probably aren't going to bother you so much. And of course, as mentioned, you need to get yourself an account over on Binance. That's where I do most of my gem hunting, my trading, my investing, listing all those hot projects early. And they also frequently do their own launches via the Binance Launchpad. So again, check that out. You got to diversify. You can't just be stuck on Coinbase forever. If you do, you are missing out on some of the biggest opportunities for gains in the market. Okay, next tip, don't go all in, unless it's on Bitcoin. But seriously, when investing in altcoins, don't go all in on one coin. The altcoin market is even more volatile than Bitcoin is. Going all in on a random altcoin, it's problematic for quite a few reasons. Your coin can drop hard massively, affecting your overall portfolio, and that can be a devastating loss to come back from. Your coin may simply stagnate for months on end while everything else is pumping. You're missing out on all kinds of opportunities. You're stuck in that coin you went all in on. Personally, a lot of my altcoin positions are no more than like 1 to 5% of my overall portfolio. Now, this limits my risk, will allow me to capture a lot of potential upside. Oh, and I always have money on the side in a stablecoin. My go-to stablecoin is USDC. When I have that money sitting there on the side and we do see a market dip, well, I've got the chips to buy the dip. Remember, you can't buy dips if you don't have any chips. So you have to have a little bit of money available on the side to be able to do that. And if you're all in, you can't do that. The fourth tip is that your security is of the utmost importance. This is magic internet money, guys. There are so many ways for you to lose it all, just like that. Gone in seconds, right? Gone in 60 seconds, your crypto portfolio. Please be careful. Please use your common sense. Please don't rush. Please take your time and verify what you're doing. Scams are everywhere. In fact, the comment section of this video that you're watching right now will probably be full of scammers. Some of those will even be pretending to be me or other popular cryptocurrency YouTubers. Do not fall for these scams, please. I know people are falling for these scams. You have to be careful. You have to use your common sense. I'm never going to be down there, with really, really bad writing asking you to say, hey, contact me on WhatsApp for investing opportunities. That's not me, man. That's crazy. The reason they keep putting these in the comment section, though, means that people keep falling for it, so please be careful. Also, ensure that your account security is super high. Does your email address have two-factor authentication set up on it? If not, why the heck not? That's a big leak. Fix it soon. Is your SIM card protected from SIM swap attacks? Particularly relevant for people in the USA. If you don't know the answer to that question, you better find out ASAP. Do you have two-factor authentication using a Google Authenticator app on your exchange accounts? If you don't, oh man, you better set that up ASAP as well. And never, ever enter your passphrase into a website or give it to someone online. It's never a rush. If something looks official but feels kind of fishy, take your time, ask some people. Because once you enter that passphrase, your crypto's gone, man. So seriously, be careful. Next tip, take charge of your brain. You are your own worst enemy, straight up. The biggest threat to your portfolio and your success, it's you. It's you. Fear, greed, boredom, and a veritable ballet of emotions can absolutely destroy your portfolio. Never trade or invest when you're tired, when you're drunk, when you're high, when you're stressed out, when you're asleep. I mean, seriously, guys, if you're a sleepwalker, you need to put some kind of locks on your computer or something. Like, just don't even go there. Seriously, sort that out. Investing, it's not just about the numbers on the screen. You are your number one asset when it comes to investing. Take care of yourself, get enough sleep, keep calm, work out, meditate, make friends, whatever it's going to be that helps you get a straight frame of mind to be able to do your investing. Because investing, it's much more than just getting rich. It's about changing your freaking destiny. The most valuable commodities in the world are your health, both mental and physical, and your time. If you sacrifice these things to get more numbers on your screen, then are you really wealthy? Or do you just have a lot of money, but you're actually a stressed out, tired, overweight mess with no friends? It's not cool. Not cool. Tip number 6. We need to talk about trading, guys. Seriously, let's talk about trading. Trading, so cool, so cool. So much money to be made. And yes, it's true. You can make a truckload of money trading. But most people don't. And you don't have to trade. I want you to understand that. You just don't need to do it. Some of the biggest gains in this market come from just buying and holding. That's it. Way less stress. It's way easier to do as well. And you have a much higher chance of success, especially if you haven't actually taken the time to learn about trading cryptocurrencies. The vast majority, like 90% plus of cryptocurrency traders, don't do well or lose everything. If you want to get 100x gains, then your chances of that happening by buying a low cap altcoin gem and then holding that thing to the frickin' moon, pretty decent. right? So find those fundamentally strong coins, throw some money in, be patient. You will get your big gains, and you will get them in a much easier and much more reliable way than most traders will. Tip number 7, taxes. Boo. Yeah, I know, nobody really likes paying taxes, but it's a necessary evil, isn't it? So don't try to avoid them. Don't try and cheat on them. The tax agencies globally are really starting to wake up to crypto, right? They will find you. They will find you. Just pay your damn taxes, guys. But also understand your tax obligations and don't pay a penny more than is necessary. In fact, pay as little as legally possible. Here are some quick tips for you. Short-term gains are taxed at a higher rate than long-term gains in many countries. So if you sell your crypto inside of a year, then you may actually be saving quite a bit, because that short-term gain, you might need to pay twice as much in taxes on it compared to selling it after 1 year. So it's stupid, it's arbitrary, but unfortunately it's the law in a lot of places. You can use that to your advantage. So, keep track of that. Also, make sure to record your losses. You can often use losses on your cryptocurrency investments to actually offset your gains in terms of your tax obligations. This can dramatically affect your bottom line when it comes to tax time. Tip number 8. Take profits. I know. Put on the broken record. Lark saying take profits again. Take profits. Take profits. Take profits. Take profits. But seriously, you're never going to make any profits until you click on the sell button. What you see on your Blockfolio app right now, that's what we call unrealized gains. Those numbers on your screen, they can go a lot higher during this market, or they can go a lot lower if a market correction happens, or if your particular coin happens to run into some trouble and the price goes down. While we all hope that those coins are going to go super high, in case they don't, make sure you pay yourself from time to time. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. In fact, having the courage to click the sell button, that's what will determine the winners from the losers long term in this market. And trust me, you want to be on the winning side of this market. The gains potential is incredible. People are going to totally change their financial destinies in this year, in 2021. It's going to be crazy. I've made a few videos on the topic. Just go and search Lark Davis, Take Profits, find my most recent video. Lots of great information in there for you. And finally, final point for today, gratitude. Cheesy, Lark, cheesy, I know, but honestly, it's so important. You just have to keep some of these things in perspective sometimes. Hundreds of millions of people live in complete poverty with no access to the basics like clean water, basic sanitation, any of this stuff. If you have spare income to invest, you're already a winner, man. Just realize that. It's when you do, you feel a lot better about your life. Now, if you have a safe place to live and you have friends and you have family who love you, again, you're incredibly lucky. Blessings all through your life. Appreciate it. Making money investing is cool. You can do that in 2021. I know that's why you're here. I'm sure a lot of you will, but it's not the be all end all of life. So just keep that in focus. Remember what really matters, and you're going to realize that you're probably a lot richer than you already realize you are. Anyway, those are just my tips. Please share your tips down below for bull run success in the comments section, especially if you're a veteran. If you've been around here a while, share a tip or two for the new guys coming into the market. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.